For the last 6 years, the Mindful Leadership Summit has served as the hub for the mindful leadership movement, featuring over 30 sessions and workshops from world-renowned mindful leadership experts, spread across 4 content-rich and experiential days. The summit is the largest event exploring mindfulness in the workplace internationally. With over 750 attendees, you will leave having met, connected, and formed alliances and partnerships with people just like you. But more importantly, you will leave with new tools and actionable insights, helping you become a better leader and create a flourishing culture, ultimately helping you have a more positive impact in the world and on those around you.